How to get rid of alligator lizards. Alligator lizards can be found throughout the world. They are recognizable by their wedge-like and flat head, their narrow body and their large brown scales with dark stripes. Although some people choose to keep the reptiles as pets, others find them to be pesky invaders. You can keep alligator lizards out of your yard and home by making your area an inhospitable environment for the animals. You will have to be both fast and cautious if you intend to catch and release any alligator lizards you personally encounter. Things you'll need: cardboard box, broom, board or piece of cardboard. Make your yard an unwelcoming place for alligator lizards. Get rid of any insect nests. Spray a pesticide around your yard or the foundation of your house to ensure that insects, a major food source for alligator lizards, stay away from your home. Standing water and outdoor lighting can also attract bugs, so avoid having those in yard as well. Clear out any exposed compost piles, rock piles and large growths of plants, as these can encourage lizards to nest in them. Secure your home to keep alligator lizards from coming inside. Cover or seal any cracks you find around the perimeter of your house. Confirm that the screens covering your doors, windows and vents do not have any holes in them. Do not leave any windows without a screen open. Keep your doors closed and fill the space between the bottom of the door and the floor. Catch any alligator lizards that you find. Place a cardboard box on the ground, preferably along the side of a wall. Use a broom to guide the lizard into the box, then quickly tip the box upward and cover it with the board or piece of cardboard. Carry the box far away from your house before setting the box down, uncovering it and upturning it to release the lizard. Be careful if you have to personally handle an alligator lizard. They can be belligerent when captured and can deliver painful bites.